Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change WhatsApp chat wallpaper. Right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up the WhatsApp app. Now, once you're in here, this one will work on both groups and personal chats or DMs, okay? So for example, I'm gonna go and select this message right here. Now, what we'll do is just go ahead over to the top right and tap on the three dots. And then go ahead and tap on chat theme. All right, tap on it. Now in here, you can go ahead and select from one of these options. Okay, so maybe I'm going to go ahead and use this one. I'm going to tap on it. As you can see, you can choose the brightness, also the theme color or the chat color. Okay, maybe purple, this one right here, blue. It's up to you. All right, tap on the check mark if you're happy with it. You can swipe to change the photo, just like so. And if you're happy with it, you can now go ahead and tap on the check mark at the very top, and then just click on Set Theme. All right, you can customize the chat color right here and the wallpaper as well. That's basically it. Now, same goes to groups. Just basically do the same thing. Select the color or the photo, hit on the check mark, set the theme, go ahead and go back to check it, and here we have it. All right, that's how simple it is to change a WhatsApp chat wallpaper. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.